Yes, it's very important because, quite frankly, many people consider motorcycles to be at fault just because they're out there riding a motorcycle. Of course, when you investigate the accident scene, you'll find skid marks, damage on the road, debris, and that's important to calculate who was at fault and how the accident happened. So it's important to contact an attorney immediately because he can bring in the appropriate experts, such as reconstruction experts, to determine liability, which will go a long way to determine how much you collect in damages.